In this video, we're gonna learn about a new function, which is random function. The way the random function works is gonna give us a random number. It could be useful like when you are rolling the dice or something like that. It could be useful to get a random number generated. So in order to include our random function, we must have include our C standard library, which is written C stdlib, and then we're gonna say okay. Let's write our code over here. We're gonna say the way to include it. So let's write cout. If you want to include the random function, all what you have to do just type in rand, and here you go. That's it. So if I run the program now, it's gonna give me a random number. So let's run it and see what's happened. As you guys see, I get 41. Let's run it one more time. So this is the way to call a random function. Let's give another example. Let's say integer a equals random. Then we're gonna say okay, cout the random number is a, and it's gonna say the random number is 41. But if you look over here, I just keep getting 41, even though it gave me 41 randomly, but it just keeps give me 41. It doesn't give me any other number. The reason for that is because it's using only one seed, so it's just keep using that seed over and over. And so there is one way to use a different seed, which is by including our C time. And what this will do, it's gonna allow for us to enter our and the way to call it is we're gonna say okay, srun time, and then we're gonna put 0. So by putting 0 over here, we're gonna use the current time, which means that whenever we run the program, our current time is gonna change. So if it was now 6:30, if I run it one more time, it's gonna be 6:31. So it's gonna give me a different number. And if it's 6:32, or even if it's different in seconds, it's just gonna give me another number. So that's way to generate a random number. The way it is, you just type in srand time, and we put the 0, and let's run it. Now we are supposed to get different number than 41. As you guys see, I get a really different number, and if I run it now, I'm just gonna get another number, which is 22169. Now if I run it again, I'm gonna get 22199. As you guys see, it just keeps getting different and different. But what if you want to get small numbers? Instead of getting all of these numbers, you just want to get number between 0 and 5, or maybe if you have a dice, you want to get a number between 1 and 6. So let's learn how to do that. The way to do that is just by putting the model operator, and then we're gonna put the numbers that specific numbers that you want to get. So if I put over here 4, then this is gonna give me the range of numbers from 0 to 4, but not including the 4. So what I will get 0, 1, 2, and 3. So there is chance to get 4 numbers, which is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, not including 4. So I have chance to get 4 numbers, but 4 is not included on that. And if I run it now, as you guys see, I'm not gonna get big numbers. I'm just gonna get small numbers. This time it's 2. If I run it one more time, I could get different number, or I get 2 again, but let's run it again, and you guys see that now I got 3. So if I run it one more time, I could get different. As you guys see, I got 0 now. And this is the way you could say, okay, I want to get 4 numbers. So let's suppose if we want to get the rolling the dice, so we have to put over here 6, but what we're gonna get is from 0 to 5, not including the 0. And as you guys know, we don't have 0 in our dice. The solution for that is putting our rand function in parentheses, and then we're gonna say, okay, the number that you get, make it plus 1. So if I get 0 plus 1, then I will get 1. And if I get 5 plus 1, then I will get 6. So this way, I'm not gonna get a number for 0, and I will get 6 also. There is chance for me to get 6. So let's see if we get 6. Okay, as you guys see, we got 6 over here. But if we didn't put this one over here, then it was impossible to get this 6, because we could start. We would be starting from 0 and stopping at 5. So this is the way to use the random function. Just keep in mind, if you wanted to get different seeds, which will allow us to get different numbers, random numbers, then you have to use include the seed time, and then include the time function by saying srand time 0, and you're putting 0 over here, you're specifying that the time is current time.